Hello, this is the Faithful Planner Girl, and today I'm going to show you the smaller of my two bags, the Create 365, the Happy Planner. Okay, in a previous video I showed the large one made by the same company, Me and My Big Ideas. Okay, so that was the large one. I'll link that one down below. And today it's the small one. I bought this before I had bought this one from Illustrated Faith. And I also have a video on this. I will also link this one down below. I found out that this one, the way it opens up, it's really nice also. Same type of idea. But this one holds just a little bit more than this one. And after I got this small bag, I kind of quit using this one. And I'll show you why. Okay. This one also opens up and lays flat. But this has two zippers on both sides. But this Bible is getting fatter and fatter and fatter all the time with more and more love. And the more that I make it expand and grow my beautiful garden, it is getting too thick to stuff back inside here. This is great for planners and everything, but not so much more on my Bible anymore. But this is what I was using before. Again, I will show you. This is the mat that I have in my other video. And it is the Ranger Ink Essentials reusable non-stick craft sheet. It's 15 inches by 18 inches. Now this one I cut in half. I forgot to say that too. I like it because it's very, very flexible and bends to the Bible's pages. And my other larger mat wouldn't fit in this bag. Okay. These bags are Velcroed in. So you can take them on the go into another larger bag that I have and then just put it back in here. So that's nice. And here I've condensed down just to my paints and my stamp pad, one instead of two. On the other side, I also grabbed out the two bags that I had received with my Illustrated Faith bag. So these two also belong in the other bag, not this bag. And I stuck in some more stamps, as you've seen in my previous videos. These are the Illustrated Faith stamps. So you can look at those on my other video as well in my large bag. And this ring bound again, I also had that in the illustrated bag that I shared. So these are just some more stickers from Illustrated Faith. And I also put in, that's why it's not going, I also put in a couple more of the Stickabilities Paper Studio stickers in here as well. I also have a small flexible ruler. It's great for Bible journaling. Then you go over on this side, and there are my Sharpie fine line art pins that do not bleed in the Bible. And there are my Prismacolor Premier colored pencils. Sorry, the glare. It's really bad. I've got a light right overhead so you can see. Okay, and there's one more zipper. There's no zippers on the outside of the bag at all. Just on the inside only. So as you can tell from my other video, this holds a lot less than my Illustrated Faith. So if I take a little bag, it's usually the Illustrated Faith bag. And again, here are some of the stickers I have showed in the previous video. I always have some kind of cardstock stickers along with me wherever I go. And a few other little planner stickers. I just stuffed them in here. Things to do. Create. Hello. So just some extra added fun, okay? So now that I've shown you 3 different bags, I hope one of these may work out correctly and perfectly just for you, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video along with my other ones, and please like my videos down below. And again, please comment if there's any questions or something else that I can show you. I'd be happy to. Thank you again. God bless.